After what was probably a pretty bad practice crash that ended his season, we have news that Maximus Vohland, and you gotta say what a cool name Maximus is, just putting that out there, has signed with ClubMX Yamaha, and it's pretty cool to see. He has a quote saying, "I am thrilled to have reached an agreement with the Muck-Off FXR ClubMX team. After witnessing their success the past couple of years, joining the team was an easy decision for me. The deciding factor was the opportunity to go to the Club MX facility. I want to be a better all-around rider and be a part of a team. When I visited the facility, the vibe was like nothing I had experienced before. It felt like a real team atmosphere. No doubt this is going to be a big change for me, but it is what I need at this point in my career. I'm eager to get back to work and contribute to the momentum of this team as we head into Supercross." Now, obviously, with the broken leg, was it broken femur, maybe? I think, if I remember right. He's been off the bike for a very long time, so he's got all the off season to get acquainted with the team, the Yamaha, train back to race speed and health, whatever you want to call it, fitness, and hopefully he does well. I mean, obviously, you don't want to see him get hurt like that and then so early in his career and just have it go all downhill because he was one of the, I don't know, best amateurs around. Brandon Haas, the team owner, said, quote, "Max is one of the very few riders who have really blown my mind at Loretta Lynn's. Years ago, watching him race, it felt like yesterday. I thought this kid is a future multi-time champion, no doubt about it. When the opportunity came to have Max visit, we realized he has a strong values and character for such a young man. I'm very grateful for this opportunity because of that. Talent was known. This side of him more will know soon. No doubt in my mind he's a future champion at some point in his career. I just hope when the time comes, it's with us." So hopefully he does well. I mean, obviously, you never want to see anybody get hurt and then have their career decline. So different team, change of pace, different bike, see how it works out. But comments down below, you guys tell me, what do you think of this? Good move, bad move? Are you happy for it? Whatever you want to think. Comment down below, tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.